Welcome to Sunshine Center's first nature tour video of the lovely Toronto Islands. This video promotes relaxation and how nature on the island benefits the lives of our seniors and their mental well-being. Tap into your inner child and take a lovely swing on the beach with a beautiful view. Join some newfound friends from Sunshine Centers and take a walk to some historical landmarks on the island. Take a step back from the busy city and listen to the wonderful sounds of the birds on Ward's Island. Enjoy the city skyline and take some deep breaths of fresh air by the water. Embark on an adventure on the island through some guided trails. Have a seat and enjoy the view of the water and the wonderful cityscape. Enjoy a golf cart ride through Ward's Island neighborhood and take in all the lovely gardens. At Sunshine Centers, mental health and well-being is very important to us. The island is a perfect place to take a mental break. Visit us today, it's only a ferry away. Come join us at Sunshine Centers for Seniors. See you soon!